Are you tired of searching for the perfect family home in the south side of Chicago? Maybe you've been looking at listings but haven't found that one property that ticks all the boxes, spacious, updated, and in a desirable neighborhood. Well, your search might just be over. Let me introduce you to my new listing home that has everything you're looking for. Welcome to 10111 Sangamon Street, a beautiful all-brick ranch located in the heart of Washington Heights in the Chicago neighborhood. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I'm your local real estate expert with Coldwell Banker, specializing in homes through the Chicagoland. I have helped countless families in their dream homes, and today I'm excited to showcase this beautiful gem at Sangamon Street with over 1,800 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, has thoroughly updated and ready for you to move in. Let's talk about the incredible features of this home. As soon as you walk in, you'll be greeted by the gleaming hardwood floors that stretch through the entire main floor. The entire house has freshly painted in 2024 with a modern light gray and a white trim, creating a bright and welcome atmosphere. This home boasts 3 spacious bedrooms on the main floor, each with plenty of closet space and updated bathroom featuring a jet tub. Perfect for unwinding after a long day, right? The heart of the home is the kitchen, which features granite countertops, ample cabinet space, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, including a Fisher and Paykel dishwasher and a Whirlpool appliances, stove, microwave, and refrigerator. But it doesn't stop there. The finished basement is an entertainer's dream with a large open concept space, a 4th bedroom that can easily fit a king-size bed, and a 2nd full bath equipped with a body spray shower system for ultimate relaxation. You'll also find a spacious utility room, a laundry room with updated washer and dryer, a stunning tile flooring through the basement, and let's not forget about the outside. The backyard is perfect for gatherings with its concrete patio and lush grassy area, not to mention the convenience of a 2-car garage with an overhead door looking into the yard. This home is located just minutes from top schools like Clissold Elementary and Morgan Park High School, and close to popular dining spots like Harold's Chicken Shack and Beggar's Pizza. Who doesn't like pizza? With easy access to highway, parks, shopping, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. If you're ready to tour this amazing property or have any questions, give me a call at 773-550-4846. I'll guide you through the process, ensuring that you find the perfect home. You won't be alone. I'll be with you every step of the way, helping you make the right decisions for you and your family. If you find this video informative and helpful, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media for more updates on great Chicago properties. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who might be searching for their next home. Thank you for watching.